Hey everyone, I just want to send a quick message to our fastest growing STATMed demographic, our veterinarians who are struggling to pass their NAVLE. Some of them have failed the NAVLE one or two times by maybe a handful of points, maybe 10, maybe 15 points. And I've met and helped veterinarians who have failed 4, 5, 6 times, maybe more, sometimes overcoming deficits of 40, 60, 80, even more points. Everybody's different, and there's no magic wand or guarantee with any of this. The NAVLE is just a ridiculously hard exam, spanning a mind-boggling amount of information, and the prep resources at your disposal are not great. But we are a great resource if you want to completely redesign your methodology so you can prepare in an all-new, all-different way for your next NAVLE test day. And we can help with 2 different platforms. Our boards test-taking workshop is for the veterinarian who thinks they know more than enough to pass, but they're just really bad at standardized tests like the NAVLE. Or we can offer our NAVLE Reboot Camp, which includes the full boards workshop plus a wide array of all new, all different boards re-study skills. So you can make every study session like a high intensity workout and fix the holes in your knowledge. Watch each platform's deep dive to learn more. They both work great for the NAVLE, and fun fact, I created the Reboot Camp, now one of our biggest and most important platforms, specifically for the NAVLE. And we will run NAVLE Reboot Camps specifically for our frustrated veterinarians. Check them out online or contact me directly so I can hear your story, answer your questions, and make the best recommendation for your unique needs so that you can pass your NAVLE on your next attempt.